Hey YouTube, how's it going? So, in this video, we're making something, it's not computer related, it's still some sort of like a tech video, but a little more wrenching, a little less clickety-click on the keyboard here. So, essentially what we're doing is, I was given a lawnmower by my parents. It's their old one. It does not throttle up. It is a little bit low in compression, but it doesn't idle up like it's supposed to. It's supposed to do it automatically for you, but it doesn't. So I went to Princess Auto, which is, for anyone that's in the States, equivalent to like Harbor Freight. $10 I picked up just a universal throttle lever. And then I went to Home Depot, picked up a lock washer and a long threaded bolt and a nut for literally a whole whopping $1. And we're going to go ahead and put that on the machine. I'm going to show you here what I'm talking about when I say it doesn't want to throttle up. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate what I'm referring to when I say it's not throttling up. It's got fresh fuel, it's full of oil. That's it, that's all. So I'm going to just put a manual throttle on it and we'll just go with that. Okay, so what we're going to start with is we're going to start with getting this top plastic off so we can get to the linkage on the carb. So for this part of it, you just need a Phillips bit. So I got one here on my driver. And we'll just keep everything organized. That can hang down there for all I can care. And that's really about as far as you have to go in terms of ripping into it, because you have your throttle, your carb all right here. I'm just going to take this piece off here so I can see, because just in case you aren't sure if you're hooking up to the right spot, just take this off and you'll be laughing. That's not the right size. Betcha I don't have the size I need. Nope. Really. And this whole thing is kind of designed to be done on the cheap. So that's why I literally just went to Princess Auto and bought the cheapest universal throttle piece I could find. Because to me, I'm just going to run it into the ground. So each machine is going to really be a little bit different. Well, that's probably not good for it either, but whatever. See, so right here we have our throttle linkage. You can verify by looking through. You can see the piece moving on the inside. So we're just going to disconnect, get it all disconnected, cleaned up, tidied up, and we'll go ahead and we'll start with getting the universal one mounted and then everything wired up. As you can see clearly, this machine's definitely seen better days, but nothing that we can do about it. 10. And that's the spacer. And this is the perfect opportunity to get anything in here cleaned out. Junk. Of course, they use a million different sizes. Some screws I typically try and put back where it came from, especially these really tiny freaking weird ones. But why everything couldn't be a 10? Now, of course, there's no nice way to get that off either. Well, this spring is irrelevant. No longer need that. Well, I'm just going to cut it off. What's left of it. There's the rest of the rod. Okay. Essentially, this can all just be put back on because there's nothing left there that we need. Okay, gas tank can go back up. Spacer. there for now. Okay, so essentially all we're looking to do is we just got to drill a hole. Like if you already have a hole here that you're happy with using, go ahead and use it. Like I got one over here, but I mean I find way down there it's just a bit low. I wanted a bit higher up on the handle, so I've gone ahead and pre-selected a drill bit just to drill like a pilot hole, and then I got some step bits that I'm going to use to make the hole just a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to kind of figure out where I want it. And with the pull cord here, I got a perfect spot to run the cable through to hold it there. I do have zip ties to kind of make it nice and neat going down. I'm happy with it right there, so I'm just going to take the drill. And attempt to drill a hole right here. Somehow. There we go. Starting anyways. Wow. Ooh, son of a bitch, that's hot. Freaking broke the bit too. I won't be buying bits from there anymore. Okay, so now I'll grab my step bits. Okay. So all you want to do is get just a idea kind of how much bigger you got to drill that hole. So we'll step bit it out a bit here. Safety glasses might be a good idea. Let's see, does she fit? A little bit bigger. Well, that goes through that side, and same concept just on the other side. Won't quite go through on its own yet. Just another step bigger. There we go. Well, so we'll okay, take this, take your lock washer, put that on there, take your nut, and I'm just going to cut off the threads that whatever I don't use. Usually it is recommended when you're cutting stuff to maybe consider wearing safety glasses. run. Oh, I'm gonna get a socket for that. That should be a 10, I think. Oh, it's not a 10, but close enough. Maybe it's an 11 instead. Go. It's all deburred, rounded the edges off. Now I'm just going to somewhat put this on there kind of tight, but not really because it is only a plastic handle. And I don't want it to be moving, but I don't want to crush it. So there, that is on. You could always cut this shorter. I'm not concerned about it. It's literally already halfway to its grave mower anyways. So now that you have that installed, it's just a matter of getting everything connected up there. We'll go ahead and get that taken care of now. Okay, so at this point, zip ties and side cutters is going to be what you're going to want just to secure up the cable. And then we're just going to route it. Unfortunately, this one's a little long for this application, so I'm just going to run it around the machine rather than try and cut it and bend it and make it work and all that fun stuff. Still don't know if it's going to fix the throttle up issue, but we'll soon find out now, won't we? Well, I guess I should put the rest of this back together properly first. That. This on.